Imagine you own a small cafe. You decide to make a video about your new coffee blend. Now, instead of hiring expensive personnel and cameras, just pick scenes from the internet and add some text. After that, AI will do the rest of your work. That's the kind of world we are living in. Using an AI video generator, you can create a beautiful video in just minutes. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm your today's AI presenter, Emily from Wondershare Virbo. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. In this video, not only will be showing you such AI tools, but we also have a challenge for all of you. We're excited to announce our campaign, Master AI Before Others Do. You can join by creating an AI video using Filmora and Virbo. Just share your video on social media with the hashtag Filmora Virbo AI video. Tag Filmora Editor and Wondershare Virbo on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. You could win amazing prizes like a Filmora cross-platform annual plan, a yearly ChatGPT Plus plan, and a Virbo yearly plan. The challenge runs until March 28th. Don't miss out on this rare opportunity. Now let's show you how to make AI videos. Method 1. Generate promo videos with AI talking avatars. Wondershare Virbo is an excellent platform that is designed to create avatar-based videos using artificial intelligence. Users provide a script, and Virbo generates a video featuring a digital avatar that narrates the provided text. For example, if you're creating a marketing promo video for a smartwatch brand online shop with Virbo, you open Virbo, and on the left-hand side, click Template. There are a lot of video templates to start without much effort. This means you don't have to spend money on actors or studios. Search within the marketing and e-commerce categories to find one that matches your business type. I found this smartwatch sale template quite suitable for now. Click on the template. Now click on Create Video. This will open an editing window for our video customization. Write your brand introduction and product specifications into the text script box. The avatar will speak this for you. It will automatically detect the script's language, and you can also select the language and voiceover for your avatar. There are over 300 voiceovers available in different languages. If you want to change the avatar, click this button and choose one. You can also change the product picture using this switch button right at the top and upload yours if you want to. Method 2. Create digital ads videos with Wondershare Filmora AI. If you're looking for more engaging video templates to craft marketing videos, you can turn to Filmora AI Video Editor. Filmora comes with optimized video templates. Click Templates and search through the templates that are categorized in the left column. I am searching for product sales in the search menu and adding my favorite template to the timeline. You can add your business information and media files to the video using Click to Replace the Material button at the template. Import media files from your computer or click Stock Media to see available items. You can also generate custom images using the Filmora AI Image Generator. Adjust the placement of your media. In the Text tab, edit text according to your product and details. After finishing customizing the template according to your product and advertisement, click Save. Now, for the video script, we will be using the AI copywriting feature of Filmora. This feature automatically generates text for various purposes, such as video scripts, descriptions, or promotional content. Click the Export button and find this small pencil AI button to open the AI copywriting tab. Select the video oral script from the drop-down menu. Write a description of your business and promotion details and click Generate. This will produce written material that you can use for your product description in video. If you still want an AI avatar to introduce your products with voices, you can use this script and create AI talking avatar videos with Virbo in a transparent background. Just drop the transparent video above the advertisement video template. Using these AI tools, you can create exceptional marketing videos to capture your customers' attention with minimal effort. So why are you still waiting? Use them to create unique content and tag Filmora Editor and Wondershare Virbo to participate in our challenge. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. See you next time.